Perhaps the best way to spend a cold, winter evening in Ireland is to sit close to the fire and enjoy the company of a storyteller. Ireland has many stories to tell, and they belong to two groups: myths and legends and folk tales. Throughout the years, people passed on stories from generation to generation to form a great tradition. Myths and legends are stories about giants, saints, warriors, and kings. They are tales of heroes who overcome the evil, fight with magical beasts, and have incredible adventures. One such legend is the story of the noble champion, Fionn MacCool, and his group of warriors, the Fianna, who protected the High Kings of Ireland. Folk tales entertain people while teaching them moral values. These stories have the most unusual characters: fairies, elves, leprechauns, and many more. The leprechaun is one of the most popular characters in Irish folk stories. He is a type of fairy that makes shoes and has a hidden treasure, a crock filled with gold. If you catch him, he must tell you the secret location of his treasure immediately. But be careful. He will try to trick you into looking away for a second, and then he'll disappear. Vocabulary: tradition, warrior, champion,